Here are 5 of the top programming apps for mobile devices that can help you learn, practice, and write code on the go. 1. SoloLearn platform, iOS, Android features. Offers interactive coding lessons in multiple programming languages Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, etc. Includes quizzes, challenges, and a community forum for discussion. Code playground to write and test code directly in the app. Best for beginners and intermediate learners looking for a structured learning experience. 2. Enki platform, iOS, Android features. Daily coding workouts and personalized learning plans. Supports languages like Python, JavaScript, SQL, and more. Focuses on bite-sized lessons for consistent learning. Best for busy individuals who want to learn or practice coding in short sessions. 3rd, Programming Hub, platform, iOS, Android features, offers courses in over 20 programming languages, includes interactive examples, quizzes, and a compiler to run code. Offline access to content for learning without an internet connection. Best for learners who want a wide range of languages and offline access. 4th, Dcoder, platform, iOS, Android features, mobile code compiler and IDE that supports over 50 programming languages, includes challenges and competitions to improve coding skills, real-time code execution and debugging. Best for developers who want to write and test code directly on their mobile devices. 5. Grasshopper platform, iOS, Android features, focuses on teaching JavaScript through fun, visual puzzles, and games. Beginner-friendly with a simple and engaging interface. Tracks progress and provides instant feedback. Best for absolute beginners who want to learn coding in a playful way. These apps cater to different skill levels and programming interests, so choose one based on your goals and preferred learning style.